Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to Daily Income Blueprint Free Tutorial Week 4, Class 8. And this class, we'll be talking about launching without fear, and we are focusing on the paid WhatsApp group model. This class is going to take 30 minutes at most, and the focus of the class is to show you how you can fill up your first paid WhatsApp group and get your offer out there and start making money from your knowledge, your work skills, and life experience. So, today, like I said, we are talking about launching without fear. In our last class, we discussed on our models, we talked about the WhatsApp group model, we talked about the mini course model, we talked about affiliate marketing model, and then we talked about service and products model. Yeah, because I talked extensively about WhatsApp group model, the pay WhatsApp group, and that is the model that I will be showing you how you can actually activate it. Don't forget that the essence of this daily income blueprint free tutorial is to get you to take action and earn your first income in the next 30 days. It's a promise that I made in this 6 weeks free tutorial. So based on that, paid WhatsApp group, it's simple. It's a low cost and every Nigerian knows how to use WhatsApp. But I know that what some of you may be thinking is, who will pay me? Or what if I create the group and nobody joins? No problem, my dear. Today, we are going to kill that fear with a strategy called soft invitation. And we are not begging anybody to join our group. Rather, we are going to invite people. We are going to invite people using the soft invite strategy. So, this is what the soft invite strategy in the WhatsApp group model looks like. It's the curiosity strategy. A soft invitation for a WhatsApp group is about building curiosity. You know, you don't just drop a link and say, join my WhatsApp group. No, that looks like a spam. Instead, you are asking for permission to share the link. You are seeking for their permission for you to send them the link. And not just seeking permission like you are begging, you are showing them a problem that they have and the solution that you have discovered that can help them solve the problem. And you ask them for a permission for the link to the WhatsApp group where you will hand them that solution over. So you are coming with a value on your hands, asking them to come take your value as a solution to their problem. I mean, isn't that interesting? What does this do? There are two things that this will help you do. First, it protects your integrity. You are not sending link to people who want it. You are sending link to people who want it, and then they are showing sign of seriousness that they want it. They are asking you, please send me. They raise their hand and say, send me. How do they raise their hand? When they reply the thing that you ask. You are soft invite. They reply and say, send to me or give me the link. I am interested. They are raising their hand. Number two, it makes your invitation look like a reward for those who ask for it. Isn't that interesting? So here are WhatsApp specific scripts that you can use for this soft invitation model. I'll be showing you three different scripts that you can use on WhatsApp or even on Facebook Messenger today. Script number one is a problem solver status. Here it says, I am tired of seeing in bracket type of people. Like me, I say I'm tired of seeing Nigerian 9 to 5 hours. Struggling with what's the problem? Struggling with the problem of salary finishing before the next salary palaver is a problem that is common with a lot of Nigerian 9 to 5 hours. So I am hosting a 3-day intensive WhatsApp class to show you how to what is the result. For just you put the price. I only want 15 people. You don't want crowd, very few people to show that it is not all about the money, but you just want to help people. So I can focus on everyone. If you want the link to join, reply link. This is a problem solving status. I take it again. I'm tired of seeing in bracket the type of people struggle with in bracket the problem. I'm hosting a 3-day intensive WhatsApp class to show you how to the problem with jobs, the amount you want to charge. I only want 15 people so I can focus on everyone. If you want the link to join, reply link. Script number two model, the behind the scenes status. Here say I've been using AI to, you know, the specific task you use AI for, and it's saving me 4 hours daily. I'm putting all my prompts into a paid WhatsApp group next week. If you want to be among the first 10 people to get the early bird prize, reply ready. This is behind the scene model. And the script number three is the question status. If I show you how to, the result, using just your phone and AI, would you pay the amount to learn it in 2-day WhatsApp class? If yes, reply yes, and I will send you the details. So you can see the three script style. The first one is the problem solving status. The second one is the behind the scenes status. And the third one is the question status. You can use any of these scripts to actually invite people to your first offer that we are launching. Note, I didn't post the link in any of these scripts. I asked them to reply first. This is how you build a wait list before you even open the WhatsApp group. You don't just send them direct to the WhatsApp group. Let people signal interest and then you will send them the link to join the WhatsApp group. Building trust in the green app is very, very important. I'm talking about the WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a green app. You need to build trust for you to successfully use the paid WhatsApp group model for launching your first offer. Why is WhatsApp trust different? WhatsApp is a private space and people only pay you there if they feel they know you well. If they believe that you have the capacity to lead them or to hold them by hand and show them the route or the road to the success that they want, then they will respond. How do you build trust before asking for maybe 2,000 to 5,000 naira, a soft launch or low ticket offer? One, show your face or your voice. Use voice notes or videos on your status. Don't be a ghost poster. Don't use faceless model. No. You need to show your voice, you need to show your face so that people will see the person who is behind the status. People trust a voice more than just a typed text. Two, share your small wins. Show a screenshot of a result you've got using AI. I mean, this is called the social proof model or the social proof strategy. If you want to show people or you want to teach people something and you don't have anything to show that you have already achieved that, they won't believe you. So you must show proof that you have actually achieved what you want to show them. Three, be helpful first. Answer a common question on your status for free. Keep posting tips, keep posting solution, keep posting answers to questions that people ask. When you finally say, I have a paid group, they will remember you were helpful yesterday and they will be willing to pay for your offer. So it is important that you approach this type because it's called the status warm up approach. So for the next 24 hours, you don't just say. First post is that a tip about the problem that you want to solve. Post number two is that do you know tip? Do you know about AI, or do you know about social media and AI as a solution to the problem? And post number three will be a soft invite. This is called warm up the audience. You are preparing their mind to buy what you are offering. Why would your first group not be perfect? Why would your first group wouldn't be perfect? Your first launch, your WhatsApp paid launch, is actually a better mindset kind of thing. That's what they call beta testing. In there's, I mean, it's called beta testing because the people you are inviting, they are your foundation. You are using them to test your offer. You are using them to test what you are doing. So your first paid WhatsApp group is what we call beta group. It might have only 5 people. If you have more than five, awesome. So the network might be bad during your voice notes. You might forget to record a session. Don't worry, don't panic. It is okay. Tell your first set of students that they are your foundation students because this is your first time of doing it. I mean, everybody always have a first time. Let them know that you are giving them that special prize and extra attention because they are your foundation class and it's your first time of doing it. But nevertheless, you've got a value that can help them. People love being foundation members. I must tell you that for free. It makes them feel special and it takes the pressure off you to be perfect. You are using them to actually fine tune yourself and get your feet on the ground. Definitely, you might put up your offer and people will not respond. Don't panic. This is how you actually handle low response. Questions like what if the status is dry? Never worry. If your reply link, if you post reply link and nobody replies, don't panic, my dear. You are too big to be hold back or head down by this. If this happens, this is the first thing you do. You check Yahoo. Maybe your offer is too broad and it was not lesser targeted to a specific audience. If that's the problem, so instead of you saying make money, try things like make money as a teacher or earn extra 50,000 or 100K as a busy Lagos 9 to 5er. I mean, this makes it more specific and you are targeting the right people. So number two thing that you can do is that you can actually use the one-on-one strategy. So look at who view their status. Pick out 5 people you know who have this particular problem and you send them a DM. And here is a sample script that you can use for your DM. Hey, you put the name. I saw you viewed my status about the topic of the class. I know you are into, the specific feed, the audience. So I wanted to ask if this is something that would actually help you. No pressure at all, just getting feedback. Often you will see that these people will say, oh, I forgot to reply. Yes, send me the link. There is no harm or no fear sending people DM, one-on-one DM to actually tell them that, okay, I know that you belong to this group of people that you want to help. I'm just doing a follow-up to see if this can be something of help. All right. So this is a very simple, easy to follow model to launch your first offer using the paid WhatsApp model. So you just go do it. This is a very practical class. It's not all about talking. It is more important to you taking action from what you pick from this. Because if you don't take action, there is no way you will actually test and know if you are getting results from this. All right. So here is the assignment, your go live assignment. Number one, pick one of the 3 scripts we discussed, post it on your WhatsApp status or on your Facebook or Instagram status. Do not just post the link. Wait for people to reply. When they reply, send them the short message with the price and the payment details. Your goal is not just to get 100 people. Your goal is to get your first five paying students. If you get the five paying students, that becomes your social proof that you can actually take and then go bigger. All right, go and launch it right away. I'll be in the group waiting to see your screenshots. See you in week 5, where we'll be learning how to handle the feedback as you go on. So these are the things that you must learn. The price point. Don't just get nervous that you're asking people to pay maybe 5,000. I mean, don't charge more than 5,000. This is your first launch. If you are not comfortable with charging 5,000, there's no brainer to it. You can charge as little as 1,000 or up to 3,000 to test the waters. You know, people will easily part with 1,000 to 3,000 for you that they don't know already. Maybe that's what you do. Again, there is this thing that we call the reply trick. Remind them that every time someone replies to your status, it boosts your visibility in the status in the WhatsApp algorithm. So do something that will get people to reply so that WhatsApp will show it to more people that will reply. All right. Also know that the biggest coach that you see today, they all started with one or two or three persons or five persons. There is nobody who started today and was having 100 or 1,000 people. Everybody started small, just like you are doing now. So don't get panic, kill the fear, and take action. I'm rooting for you. All right. See you. Just go take action.